So MEDAY sent me over this really nice shower chair. This is perfect for anyone looking for a little bit of assistance while taking a shower and just want to sit down, be a little bit more comfortable and secure at the same time. This is perfect to have. Now the frame on this is made out of stainless steel, which is perfect because when it does get wet, you can just wipe it down. You don't have to worry about it rusting. And on the bottom, it does have 4 non-slip footings, which makes it really nice when it is in the bathtub, helps prevent it from slipping all over the place. Now it is the perfect width. It fits nice in my bathtub. I actually have a little bit more room on each side. So if you do have a little bit smaller of a bathtub, this will probably fit perfectly in there as well. The seat is made out of a hard plastic. It does have 2 handles, one on each side, so that way you can hold down on it when you're sitting on it, can actually push yourself up and help yourself get out of the chair. I love the drainage holes it has in here as well. It's really easy to wipe down when you're done. Now, if you're looking for a little bit more comfort, it does have this adhesive pad on here. You can actually poke the holes right out of it, pull off the adhesive backing, and you can slide this right over top of the plastic, and that's gonna provide just a little bit more comfort if that's what you're looking for. It also does come with a shower caddy and a loofah as well, just a little extra special touch from the seller. Now to fold this up, it's really simple. You're just gonna take this, pull this way, and it collapses right down. It's just a really nice low profile shower chair that you can just put it away until you're ready to use it again for next time. To open it up, simply just gonna flip it over. There's this nice little hook right here. It slides right into that rail and just stays nice and securely in place. Now this is really nice and light, easy to carry around. And what's really nice too is when you're looking to get out of the shower after you're done, you can simply just kind of lift your legs right over and it's gonna help you slide right on out. Nice and easy, just like that. So if you're looking for a really nice shower chair to sit down in when you're taking a shower, this one right here is a great choice. Thanks for watching.